Hey guys. In this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best air purifier available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. You already know it's important to regularly clean your home, but there's one part beyond the surface that's often looked over: the air. Using an air purifier can help make sure the air you breathe in is clean, but not all air purifiers are created equal. So, we've pulled together a list of the best air purifier available on the market. Number 1. Germguardian AC 5250 PT 3-in-1 Air Cleaning System. 5-in-1 Air Purifier for Home. True HEPA air filter reduces up to 99.97% of harmful germs, dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns from the Air Pure filter. An antimicrobial agent is added to the filter to inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria on the filter's surface. Kills germs. UVC light helps kill airborne viruses such as influenza, staph, rhinovirus, and works with titanium dioxide to reduce volatile organic compounds. Traps allergens. Pre-filter traps dust, pet hair, and other large particles while extending the life of the HEPA filter. Reduces odors. Activated charcoal filter helps to reduce unwanted odors from pets, smoke, cooking fumes, and more. Quiet operation. The lowest setting can be used as gentle white noise at night for a quiet, restful sleep. Choose between 5 speed settings, up to 8-hour timer, and an optional UVC light. AHAM verified and ENERGY STAR certified. This air purifier was rated for its ability to filter tobacco smoke, dust, and pollen from rooms and be ENERGY STAR certified and CARB compliant. Number 2. Allen T500 Tower Air Purifier. Cleans up to 500 SQFT of air every 30 minutes on high speed. It's ultra portable, 25% smaller than comparable tower air purifiers, yet 63% more effective in real home tests. Fits perfect in any space from small to large rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, dorms, offices, bathrooms, nurseries, and kitchens. Recommended for allergens, dust, dander, fur, pollen, and household odors plus germs, mold spores, and bacteria. HEPA silver filter has a compound that eliminates airborne bacteria, germs, fungi, and viruses including the flu. Quickly adjust settings with a touch of a button. Easy to change. True HEPA filters that capture 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns. ENERGY STAR certified and certified ozone safe by the California Air Resources Board, CARB. Number 3. Levoit Air Purifier. Smoke eater and odor eliminators. With huge honeycomb activated carbon filter, true HEPA filter, pre-filter, the purify efficiency is 30% higher and purify speed is 30% faster than other ordinary air cleaner. Protect you from cat's litter box and chain smokers. Ideal for allergic people. Remove up to 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns from the air. Great help with stuffed nose by bringing you new fresh air. Smart auto mode. With a cutting-edge smart sensor, the air purifier can automatically adjust between 3 fan speed settings in response to real-time air quality readings. Filter the air with a noise level of 27 decibels for a restful and soothing indoor environment, helping you sleep deeply. LED display can all be turned off so it won't keep you awake at night. 100% ozone-free. Number 4. Dyson Pure Cool Link Air Purifier. Dual functionality. Purifies all year, cools you as a fan in summer. HEPA filter automatically removes 99.97% of allergens and pollutants as small as 0.3 microns including pollen, dust, mold spores, bacteria, and pet dander from your home. Now works with Amazon Alexa. Dyson technology helps create a cleaner, healthier home. Our vacuums and purifiers are scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria. Second layer in filter contains activated carbon to capture household odors and volatile organic compounds like paint fumes. Certified asthma and allergy friendly and awarded the Quiet Mark accreditation. Automatically monitors and reacts. Dyson Link app provides real-time air quality reports and allows you to remotely control your machine from your smartphone. Standard data and messaging rates may apply. Features include nighttime mode, sleep timer, and an easy-to-clean aperture with no fast spinning blades so it's safe for little fingers or paws. Number 5. Aeromax 300 Air Purifier. Air Purifier features true HEPA filter with aerosafe antimicrobial treatment and carbon filter for 4-stage filtration process that captures 99.97% of airborne particles and odor eliminator that also captures mold, dust, germs, and smoke. Ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. Filter type. Carbon. True HEPA with AirSafe antimicrobial treatment automatic air purifier performance with AirSmart sensor that monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep your air purified. Material type: ABS recommended for large-sized rooms from 300 to 600 square feet. Power supply AC 120V, 60 Hz.